Assalamu alaikum guys. I'm Jarir Khan. Today I'm going to show you some beautiful views of my village. Well, you see, this is my village. Actually, whole Bangladesh is beautiful. Not only my village, nor my city. You can see beautiful views here. River. You can see the river. I'm going to zoom now. Look the river. Very beautiful river. And some houses. Actually, the sun looks more beautiful. Those villages are maybe home to monitor lizards. You can see a group of cattle there. Everything is beautiful, mashallah. And the river, cropland, birds, whatever.